This channel earns almost $16,000 per month without filming a single video from his phone or exposing his face, simply by copying and pasting free stock films and re-uploading them on YouTube as a total newbie. Make sure to watch the full video since this is one of the easiest methods to start earning money on YouTube, and the greatest thing is that anyone can do it after watching the step-by-step instructions. This particular niche is known as the travel niche, and it has a consistently high cost per thousand views due to the fact that everyone enjoys traveling and that the travel industry is full of companies looking to advertise their goods and services there. As a result, you will have a high CPM, which means more money from ads, and you are also assisting people in their travels with your videos, so it's a win-win situation for both you and your viewers. You're probably wondering how to get started in these areas, and I'm here to help. But first, if you want to learn more about YouTube automation in depth, you should certainly check out this free masterclass, which will be really useful to you and will save you both time and money because it is free. If you're a frequent viewer of the channel, please like this video. It will be much appreciated. So the last surprise is that you can mimic this channel called Teropia, and you can see how this channel makes videos on themes like top 10 locations to visit and similar information. On Social Blade, you can see that this channel earns $16,000 every month, and it might be higher considering the average CPM range for Social Blade is 25 cents to $4, and the CPM can be more for the travel niche, so this is only an estimate. It also shows that this channel is accumulating 4 million views every 28 days with only 100 videos, indicating that people are interested in this sort of content. Now on the topic of how you can make your videos, I am here. But like and subscribe if you got any value from the video. It will be much appreciated, and comment what you want to learn next in the comments. So how you can make these types of video by yourself, for example like this video.
10 most visited countries in the world.
Here's the demo.
Nations. It's easy to see.
First step is the script, and there are easy way, but first we need a topic, and for that you can easily search by popular or just give a quick look to your competition channels and see which of the videos are getting more views than others, and we can make a video on that topic. So you can just search of the topic like the top 10 beautiful places in Caribbean islands on the Google and do a research on the topic and find the articles and blogs which you can use to model your own script, and you can use service like quill.com to paraphrase your sentences, and you can also take help for the video we picked earlier from its subtitles, and for that just click the 3 dots then transcripts, and you can take help from it. You should also use YouTube Shorts because it will give you more exposure and will increase your chances to get monetized fast, because from January YouTube Shorts will be monetized, so it's a win-win situation for you because it will give you more exposure and more money from Shorts. Now for the footage, for that you can just search the name of place on Google for stock footage on the sites like for high quality free stock footage, and for voiceover you can use your own voice or hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork, or there is another way that you can use is by using a text-to-speech human sounding software like or Wellsaid Labs or any other service you can find. And for editing, you can use free software like Canva or InShot or VN or your preferred choice. Just try this, and one quick advice: if you want to start YouTube cash cow channel, upload minimum 30 videos for the best result and to get your channel monetized, because if you will be consistent for 3 months and post consistently, you will gain traction and if possible even get monetized. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing if you got value for this channel, and leave a comment below and I will respond back.